Yeah, I guess the well is right in that corner there, but
What PSI is this thing set to run at?
you have to turn off the hose. See that?
Well, the box is showing 55. This gauge is showing 60, but every once in a while it satisfies that and then drops off.
Did I put too much air in it?
No. Hello, this is Greg from Clearwater Well Drilling. We're out on a service call of a drive that we put in like 5 years ago. And we're going to show you what we're doing here with this Centauri adapter. So, in the beginning, when we got here, the sensor and gauge net was in that port right there. And we've taken it out and put it in right here. I'll show you that swivel there. You can see that's just holding steady right there. And in the earlier video that we just made, it's showing how it was swinging back and forth. And even every once in a while it would satisfy its pressure and then drop off. You couldn't catch up fast enough for some reason. So what we've done is we've went ahead and we've turned the hertz down to 60. We did that with a cell phone here. Went inside there. And we're running the same amount of water that we were running when we were plugged into that other water line. And so we've managed to real easy put that adapter on that bladder side of that tank. And you can see that gauge, it's just running really smooth. Turn that down to 60 hertz. None of that back and forth swing up and down. I don't see how that can be any good for the motor. This part really seems to make a difference. Thank you.